Walmart automatically saves digital receipts in your account when you shop online, or when you pay in-store while logged into Walmart Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly where Walmart stores your digital receipts in 2026, how to access them step by step, and what to do if your receipt isn't showing up. First method is the Walmart app or website. If you were signed into your Walmart account during checkout, your receipt is already stored in your purchase history. Open the app, tap Account, then go to Purchase History. Every eligible transaction will show the order details, item list, and total amount. If you used Walmart Pay in-store, the receipt is also tied to your account. The same Purchase History section will show those transactions. This is the most reliable way to get a clean digital copy without needing customer service. The next method depends on how you paid. If you used a card without logging into Walmart Pay, the system may not automatically attach the receipt to your account. In that case, you can still check your email if you entered it at checkout or during self-checkout prompts. Some locations send an emailed receipt option after purchase. If you don't see anything in your account or email, the next step is your payment card history. Your bank statement won't show the itemized receipt, but it will show the exact store name, transaction time, and amount. That information can help Walmart customer service locate your purchase manually. For older purchases, in-store customer service is the final option. You can request a receipt lookup using the card used for payment and an estimated purchase date. The more accurate your details, the higher the chance they can retrieve it from their system. There's one important limitation most people miss. Walmart doesn't treat every transaction the same way in its digital system. Cash purchases and non-linked card payments are the hardest to recover because they aren't automatically tied to a customer profile. So what actually works best? The fastest method is Walmart Pay or a logged-in account because those receipts are stored instantly. Email receipts are the second option. Card statements and store lookup come last when digital tracking isn't available. To keep it simple, digital receipts only appear automatically when your account is connected at checkout. Without that connection, Walmart can still find your purchase, but it takes more steps and more information. If you want more clear step-by-step guides on fixing receipt, payment, and shopping issues like this, like the video and subscribe.